Hello everyone and welcome back.
مرحبا. في هذا الفيديو سنواصل مع الأعداد وسنرى أمثلة عن استعمال الأعداد من 11 إلى 20.
11 11 or 11 11. Our son is 11 years old. Our son is 11 years old. 11 take away 4 is 7. 11 take away 4 is 7. They run 11 kilometers every day. They run 11 kilometers every day. 12 12. There are 12 rooms in his house. There are 12 rooms in his house. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. He lives at number 12. He lives at number 12. 13 13. He has 13 grandchildren. He has 13 grandchildren. This millionaire has 13 watches. This millionaire has 13 watches. Some people believe 13 is an unlucky number. Some people believe 13 is an unlucky number. 11 add 2 is 13. 11 add 2 is 13. 14 14. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. The little boy has 14 toys. The little boy has 14 toys. She owns 14 dresses. She owns 14 dresses. 15 15. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. The ticket cost is £15. The ticket cost is £15. She exercises 15 minutes each day. She exercises 15 minutes each day. 16 16. He is 16 years old today. He is 16 years old today. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. She has 16 books in her room. She has 16 books in her room. 17 17. The school has 17 teachers. The school has 17 teachers. 9 plus 8 equals 17. 9 plus 8 equals 17. The train leaves in 17 minutes. The train leaves in 17 minutes. 18 18. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 18 divided by 6 is 3. The hotel has 18 floors. The hotel has 18 floors. His bicycle has 18 gears. His bicycle has 18 gears. 19. 19. He has 19 cars to sell. He has 19 cars to sell. 15 add 4 is 19. 15 add 4 is 19. We have 19 friends. We have 19 friends. I have 19 classmates. I have 19 classmates. 20. 20. There are 20 students in my class. There are 20 students in my class. He has 20 employees. He has 20 employees. She reads 20 books every week. She reads 20 books every week. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Till next time, bye.
شكرا على المشاهدة والاشتراك، ونراكم في الفيديو المقبل إن شاء الله.